Now let us just see the probability problem that we had in this quiz. So this question. So what does this question says? This z value and all we know. This z value is used to find out the outliers. Now we are not bothered about finding out the outliers, but I'll just tell you how can we solve this. So before we solve this, we have to identify. We have to draw this normal probability curve for sure. Okay. So let us draw the normal probability curve. For sure we have drawn that. Now this can be divided into, we know this is mean, that is 0, this is -1 standard deviation, this is +1 standard deviation, this is +2 standard deviation, this is +3 standard deviation, this is -2 standard deviation, this is -3 standard deviation. So this line will extend like this. Okay, right? So now what so to solve this kind of things, we should understand one thing is that this has to be remembered actually. So from -1 to minus plus, this one is 68%, it covers 68% of the data. So -2 to this is, it covers 95% of the data, and -3 to +3 covers 99.7% of the data. Okay, so with this basic information only we can solve this problem. Now you see, first they are telling about -1 z value. Z value is the z value is used to find out where the data, most of the data is pulling out the curve. Okay, now that's not a matter now. So z value is lying between -1 to plus infinity. So -1 to plus infinity means -1 to this area. So this full area we need to identify. So here we have two parts. So one is this area and one is this area, right? So one is this area and that area. Now we will see that. Now from here to here we know this is from 0 to -3 standard deviation. We can take approximately. This full area is covered. So -3 standard deviation is 99.7%. So from -3 to +3, it is 99.7%. But we need only half of it, right? From 0 only we need. So we will divide it by 2. We will get 2 4 are 8, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, 49.6. So what we got is 49.6. Now again we are left out with this data. So -1 to 0. -1 to 0 is 68 divided by 2. The similar condition, that is 34. So 34, we'll get 6 3 8, 83.6. So the first one is matched with 83.6 is approximately 3. The option 1 is correct. Similarly you can make it for this, all the three rest of the things also. -1 to 1. So let us see -1 to 1. This is also the same way actually. So -1 to 1 is also the same way. We don't need to worry much. Now let us see -1 to 1. Now see -2 to 1. -2 to 1 means, so from here to this area we need. So -2 to 1, -2 to 0 we have to see, and from 0 to +1 we have to see. From -2 to 0 is 95 divided by 2, which is 2 4 are 8, 2 8 are 16, so 48, and 0 to +1 is 68 divided by 2, that is 34. So 34, so which is 12 7 8, 82%. So this will be marked out with 82%. So the similarly minus infinity to 2 is also the same. From here to here it is 49.8, we have already seen. So -3 to 0 is 49.8 something, and +2. So +2 we have just now seen, that is 48. So 48 means 8 7 97.8, so 98. So 1. The rest left out one is from 0 to +2 we have already seen, it is 48. So 48. So option 1 will be the correct answer.